Hi, there is a new update in ChatGPT. Previously, free users were unable to create Ghibli-style images with it, but ChatGPT is allowing free users to create 3 images in 24 hours. I have tested on the phone. It gives me a limitation after 3 images. We will create a fresh account on the desktop and check the result. Created a fresh account. Now upload the image and give this prompt. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to generate the image. I am fast-forwarding the video. As you can see, the result of the image is perfect. Now, let's create more images. You might be thinking, why is ChatGPT allowing free users to generate images? The reason is simple. They just want user retention. Most of the people use the free alternative Grok AI, while ChatGPT was not working for free users. They didn't like it. As I mentioned, alternatives like Grok AI or other models are gaining attention, and offering cutting-edge features like art generation gives OpenAI a way to maintain its edge and keep users engaged without jumping to competitors. It's all about ensuring that the platform offers value that competitors might not. And it's true. Grok and other models don't give that much accuracy. And ChatGPT knows that data is important. Allowing more users to experiment with AI tools for free or at lower cost can also provide valuable data to improve the algorithms, make them more versatile. The more people use these features, the more data there is to refine them. As you can see, sometimes it does not give the result, but we will open a new chat and try again. This time we are able to generate the image. Now, we will open a new chat and attempt to create the 4th image. It started image generation and successfully generated. On the phone, it gives me a limitation after 3 images. If you have limitations, then try a fresh account on desktop and each time open a new chat and give the prompt with image. This trick will work. If you still face issue, I have another trick. Just visit our website from the video description. If you find this video useful, then please give it a like, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the most helpful trick, visit the website. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.